Hey, alangaling dang ding ding, alangaling dang ding ding, alangaling dang ding ding ding, woy yo, woy yo. Hey, ding ding, which is better than soca music? I want to know, 'cause I go give you what is that you just can't refuse tonight.
Hi David, so we've arrived. Where are we going? Little Bay?
Yeah, that's what it's called. I'm not sure if that's the proper name, but that's what we call it.
Okay, no problem. So there's a little overcast.
There's one in Castara too, right?
Okay, there's a little bay in Castara as well. It is a little overcast, but that's the nature of living on a tropical island.
Yep.
We have a partner here, Nathaniel, eating poison berries.
Yeah.
Nathaniel, what are these berries called?
I don't know.
You don't know? David, what are they called?
Tobago death sentence.
Yeah, eat it all you die.
It's actually called lele in Trinidad or manjack berry in Tobago.
Manjack, and my friend Nathaniel here describes it as a small chinette. That's very interesting. Okay. So guys, manjack berries. And we have the dogs, everybody. And we're ready to go. One little bay waterfall, not the Castara one, not waterfall, beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Lead the way, dogs.
Come on, Maverick, let's go.
Partner, you alright?
No, much there now.
That's a lot of.
Boss, good day, sir. You looking good? Looking sharp? Wow. Slippery.
Separate. Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Beautiful. The absolutely beautiful Little Bay. Now this is well hidden. So you know, hit up the Island Grill tours if you want to find something off the map.
Here she comes, my Caribbean lady. Here she comes, my Caribbean baby. Hey Dudu, Bachman, come and talk to your man a while now. You know I love you, eh? She's everything you think she's all about, and everything you dream she'll be. She lips could bring love water to your mouth. She's a bacchanal lady. She will infect you with her ramashe, melt you like a noonday sun. Take your status symbol high away. She mix your milk with punch and rum. She's bacchanal lady. Sweet scandal when she walk. Bacchanal lady. Real magic when she talk. Bacchanal woman. Won't you come? Or won't you make some love? She in a rum and coke.
Hey guys, we're here on the beautiful Little Bay, Tobago. We got David and Brandy.
Hi, Brand.
Chilling. Swimming. It was pouring rain about 20 minutes ago, but
Oh yeah, played up really nice.
played up really nicely. Maverick's not having it.
I need to take it. Maverick, come.
Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed our first day tour here with Island Girl. We've obviously seen some beautiful things from Highland Waterfall to Little Bay that is well hidden but well worth it. So stay tuned. Of course, there's going to be a lot more content to come as we big up Tobago and Trinidad always, of course. Thank you, like and subscribe. Blessings. Have a fantastic week. Big up. Bye bye.